Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kio and today I'm gonna yap about my brand new phone that I got a few days ago. I'm gonna talk why I got this phone and I'm gonna do unboxing of the phone and the cases a little bit later. So let's begin. When I was picking my phone, I was thinking between Apple, Google or Samsung. I didn't want to go with the Samsung because the Samsung is kind of boring and you can't, like, it's just kind of boring, right? It's the same phone every single year. The design is the same. I don't like the design, but it's just a phone, right? You get the phone, you set it up, and basically that's it. I wanted to go with the Pixel, but the Pixel in Croatia, where I live, is not a very good device. Because for some reason, the phones that I use right now are Pixel 7 Pro and a Pixel 4. When it comes to bank applications and every other app support in Croatia, they are very, very bad, right? So I was thinking between Google Pixel 9a because it's like a cheapest and it does the basic things. But I read that like a Pixel 9a has like a really bad modem, right? It has the same modem as like a Pixel 8, 7 and 6, and those modems are like a horror, right? They are horror experience when it comes to receiving calls, getting like a mobile data on it and GPS, right? That those things are kind of affected by a bad modem. And I was kind of looking at like an iPhone 16 Pro, but the problem is I kind of get bored of iOS very, very, very like fast. I decided to go with like S25 Plus, as I said previously. The Ultra has like a better zoom, which I don't really care about. It has a little bit better screen, but also it's like a bigger screen and it's like a bigger phone and it has a S Pen. I like S Pen, but if I really want to have S Pen, I would probably just get like a tablet to draw things on it. When I had Ultra S23, basically all of what I did on the phone was drawing, and basically the S Pen would ruin the screen protector. So every 2 months I would have to change the screen protector. The previous screen protector was like a full of scratches and the new screen protector was like a 50 euros. It was way too expensive for me to like finance this phone, and also using like a Ultra with like a one hand is like a way too big, and if you drop it the S Pen flies away to another continent and I just don't like it. So yeah, it's horrible. I was using this Smurf Oreo. I like to call it like a Smurf Oreo because of like a Smurf in the middle. It's like a bad joke, right? The first phone is iPhone XS. I use this thing to buy things in like a mobile games, because if you have iPhone, it's cheaper for you to buy things. iPhone 4. For some reason, this is the only phone that I have right now that actually supports bank applications, PayPal, Revolut, and all of that. So basically, this phone was used to see my money on the credit card, to see money on Revolut, to, I don't know, to send money, to receive money, and all of that. And this phone here, right? This is a Pixel 7 Pro. This phone is really good. This is the reason why I was considering getting a Pixel 10 or Pixel 9, because the screen is just that good. I didn't care about the speed of processor or anything else, it was doing the job. But when you're dropping the connection on device, when you can't get like a real location for Uber, when you can't order the food because the GPS is jumping everywhere, you just don't want to use that brand anymore. I like yapping about this thing, but let's unbox this thing. This is everything that I got for the phone. It's a little bit like a weird scene because I don't have like a tripod or anything what other content creators are making. It looks really fun. I had the same one for S23 Ultra and it was a decent case. It was kind of harder to take it out, that's what she said. I got this one. It's like a transparent case with like a frosty black. And then of course, right, we got like a SPIGEN glass. It was only like 18 euros and you get like a two of them and you get like entire like a tool to install like a glass. So I do like everything that I picked from here. The only case I kind of wish I got was maybe UAG Civilian green orange combination. It's really good, but I can't find it anywhere where I live, right? And also Amazon doesn't sell that case, so it's kind of harder. They do sell black and gray, but I like orange and green. So yeah, let's unbox the phone. Down there it was like a seal thing that I took off just to see what kind of color I actually got and how it looks like. I don't think it's made in Korea, but that's what they say. Nice. As you can see, it's nothing special. It's more like a purple lilac than like a blue, but It looks different when you look at it in like a real life. So what do we have here? We should have something here. We have like instructions for I don't even know what. I don't even know who is using instructions in this day and age. So we have this sim pop-up tool that I really like because I change my phone often, so I kind of need to have that thing. Also, we have a cable. I'm not sure if this is a good cable that you should use to charge your S25 Plus because it requires 45 watts to do like a super fast charging, and those cables are kind of thicker. This one is gonna be okay for like for other phones, or maybe like to use it on my PS5 controller, and I don't know. I'll probably just like buy charger later, but so this is what you get in a box. Basically nothing special. Let's see the phone. The phone, it's okay size. It's a little bit smaller than like a Pixel 7 Pro. Also, it's not that heavy. It's I guess okay color. It's gonna feel nice when you put a case on it. And the back of it is, I think this is a glass or something. Who cares? Like, it's gonna be covered in like a case, so who cares about the color and everything else. So let's peel this thing. Oh yeah. Okay, let's turn it on. Will it turn on? Am I holding the right button? Yeah. I work in a tech store that is basically selling the phones. Part of my job is when I'm done with like a sale, I had to turn on the phone and see if the phone is working. So for me, it's nothing special. I do it every single day. The touch is actually pretty good. We are gonna go with United States. So I'm gonna put a screen protector on the phone and a case on the phone, and actually just like a screen protector, and I'm gonna do unboxing of both cases. I know it's like a very weird unboxing, but so as you can see, everything is set up. I did put the case, not the case, I mean the glass on my phone, and I kind of messed up because I didn't remove all the particles, like a dust particles from my screen, so I had to like redo it again. This thing here is actually pretty good for like removing the bubbles that you get. It looks like every single like a Samsung device, nothing special. Let's see the camera. The camera is like, okay, I get it, okay. The camera is good. I don't know, it's like a way better than what I had on like a Pixel 7 Pro. We have a first case here. It's a ultra hybrid for like a S25 Plus. I couldn't find any reviews about this case on like a S25. I don't know why. Not everyone's like a big fan of like a S25 Plus. Everyone is going either for like a small or for something like a ultra, but it has like a thing down there, and I was never good at like a peeling of this thing, because when I had it on like a Samsung, on iPhone 14, basically like half of this thing was stuck in the case, and we removed this one. So let's put it in. Usually I always go for like buttons because I don't want to like mess them up. That was actually pretty easy. This color doesn't look that bad. So the buttons are like pretty good. I think I'm gonna keep it, but let's check out the second one. The second one is something that I'm kind of skeptical about. I'm not sure if it's gonna be good or bad because I do like the design. Oh, this one is like this one, damn, this one is like it's so hard. That's what she said. But yeah, like, damn, dude. This thing wasn't like this when I had it on Ultra, dude. I think they kind of fixed the materials. Who knows, dude? Okay, it's like a very firm. This case is like a very easy to like take out. Okay, now, oh my god. But the inside of the case is actually pretty good. I do like it. So, let's put it in. That's what she said. Oh, it's okay. It's not bad. Oh, it actually has some grip. This is like what? There is no way this is like something that you need to keep on, dude. It is, damn, dude. Okay, it's a little bit slippery. It does look good. It's kind of interesting because everyone is keeping like a transparent case or the case that has like money inside of it. but this one is not that bad, and the phone doesn't feel that heavy, right? I think my Pixel 7 Pro is heavier than this, but I had to say that this one here looks, this one here and here looks and feels better than this one here. This one is kind of cool because it has this like I don't know how to say it. It looks good because it has like a inside of the phone shows to you. I don't know how to say it properly. But yeah, like so far I do dig the phone. I think it's good. I think it's a good replacement for my Pixel 7 Pro. Thanks for watching. Love you all and peace out.